Welcome to Learning Tree. Based on requests made by many of you to make a video on various RPA tools available in the market, we are happy to have all those details in this video. So, friends, there are more than 20 RPA tools available in the market, and their names are as Blue Prism, UiPath, Automation Anywhere, Pega, Links, Help Systems, Open Connect, Kofax, Gyan, WorkFusion, Contextor, Jakarta, Gyan, Nice, OnVSource, Redwood, Automation Edge, Foxtrot, Variant, and Visual Cron. One can opt tool from the given list based on the criteria and need. Some of the major criteria are: 1. Technology. We need to ensure that tool is supporting the technology and infrastructure on which our systems or applications are working with. 2. Scalability. RPA tool should be scalable and must support large volume of transactions. 3. Security. Tools should secure and based on the authentication. Unauthorized access should not be permitted and data should not be passed to outside world by any means. 4. Cost. Tools should be fit in the available budget. 5. Ease of use. Tools must be easy to work with. Technical expertise should not be required and people of any level in the organization should be able to run the tool. 6. Maintenance and support. Tool should provide tech support as and when needed. And, there should be faster issues remediation. By considering these parameters, one can identify the appropriate tool of their need. Now we will briefly take a look on the various RPA tools available in the market. First tool is Blue Prism. This RPA tools help business operation to be agile and cost-effective by automating manual, rule-based back repetitive office processes. The features of this tool are: the tool provides a flowchart like a designer with drag-and-drops feature to automate various business processes. Easily implemented in the short time span of 4 to 6 weeks. Robust and feature-rich analytics suite. The tool doesn't require programming skills to implement. The benefits of this tool are high-speed execution and platform independence. The limitation are high cost. Next tool is UiPath. It provides all core capabilities. It provides support for Citrix. It is user-friendly for non-developers too. It can handle complex processes. And this tool is perfect for any size of business. UiPath can be hosted in virtual terminals or cloud environments. Provides support for a high range of applications to work with, which includes web and desktop applications. Auto login features to run the bots. Scraping solution which works with .NET, Java, Flash, PDF, Legacy, SAP, with absolute accuracy. Advantages of this tool are: no programming skills required. Ease of use through drag-and-drop facility. And it provides good features, free of cost. And, the limitation is limited coding functionality. Another RPA tool is Automation Anywhere. This tool combines conventional RPA with intellectual elements like language understanding and reading any unstructured data. Provides security through authentication, encryption, and credentials. Real-time reports and analytics. Provides platform independence. Rapidly automates complex and complicated tasks. Distribute tasks to multiple computers. Offers scriptless automation. The biggest advantage of this is user-friendly interface and, drawback is IQ-bot needs improvement. Next RPA tool is Pega. Pega is business process management tool, which unifies architecture based on a business rule management system and predictive analytics decision management mechanism. Open APIs that quickly connect to your existing services. Actionable intelligence helps you to automatically find processes to optimize. The adaptive intelligence that learns on the fly. Captures insights at the desktop. It gets complete details of how work gets done. Benefits of this tool are: it is faster as it follows event-driven approach, and it is a robust and reliable tool. Limitation is there is no on-premise solution. RPA is next RPA tool we are going to discuss. RPA provides support for hybrid business scenarios. It can automate web, desktop and mobile applications. It is friendly with both programmers and non-developers. RPA is on-premise solution. This tool is perfect for small and medium organizations. Web and desktop automation, web and screen scraping. REST and SOAP calls and email processing such as Gmail, Office 365, and private mail servers. The advantages of this tool are: non-developer friendly, backed up with training and certifications, and fast execution. The limitation is, it supports Windows-only platform. Next RPA tool is Contextor. Contextor is robotic process automation solution which offers complete customer view, online help, and shares data between 2 or more applications. Automate tasks in real time. Ensure the proper sequencing of tasks. Gather and maintain a contextual data collection. Provide a contextual assistant, help. The tool can monitor the processes executed on the workstation. Benefits of Contextor RPA tool are: it works faster, and it can be easily integrated with AI. The drawback is it only supports the Windows operating system. Another tool is Nice. Nice is a cloud and on-premises enterprise software solution. This RPA tool helps any organization to take firm and accurate decisions based on advanced analytics of structured and unstructured data. It provides attended and unattended server automation. It will help you in automating routine tasks, compliance adherence and in upselling. Improved productivity and better resource utilization. The biggest plus point of Nice is that it provides advanced analytics. But, it is very costly. Next RPA tool is Kofax. Kofax is one of the most efficient way to acquire, enhance and deliver information from any application or data source. This includes a website, portals, desktop applications and enterprise systems without any coding. It does repetitive tasks efficiently. Intelligent tool for monitoring and optimizing the processes. It can be managed centrally from a server. Easy to integrate with Catalyst platform. The advantages of this tool are: efficient tool, and it can work faster. Despite of the advantages, the limitations are: it needs to improve training videos, and it may be a little difficult to learn. Cron is the another RPA tool which is also known as Automate. It has 3 solutions for automation: unattended, attended, and hybrid. An unattended solution is an intelligent tool and can take decisions. Attended tool will give you speed, accuracy, and efficiency at work. Hybrid automation is the combination of both attended and unattended automation. Empower companies to accomplish their tasks with greater speed, accuracy, and efficiency. The benefits of this tool are: efficiently performs repetitive and time-consuming tasks. It is user-friendly, and enhances productivity at every stage of your business processes. Next RPA tool is Softomotive. It includes enterprise automation and desktop automation. Enterprise automation will help in increasing the productivity, performance, and efficiency of enterprises. And desktop automation is for individuals and small teams. It can automate desktop and web-based tasks. This tool will help you from the design process to the production process. It can be easily integrated with SAP, Salesforce, Oracle Financials, and PeopleSoft Automation etc. It is supported by .NET and SQL Server. The benefits of this tool are: easy to use, and it works 5 times faster than humans. Another RPA tool is Visual Cron, which is an automation tool for task scheduling and integration. It is for Windows only. Programming skills are not mandatory for this tool. Decreased cycle times and improved throughput. Reduce errors while significantly increasing efficiency. Offers great flexibility and scalability to the organization. Round-the-clock availability. The biggest benefit of this tool is that it is easy to learn, but it supports only Windows operating system. Next RPA tool is Lynx, that is a no-code RPA platform that enables the rapid development and deployment of automated processes and tasks. Lynx offers a no-code IDE designer that significantly speeds up development and a hosted server, for fast, no-fuss, one-click deployment. Easy to use, drag-and-drop IDE designer. Hosted cloud service for hassle-free deployment. 100+ pre-built components for services, programming functions, actions and automations. Easily integrate with SIS tools, legacy systems and any ODBC, OLADB and NoSQL databases. Create, host or consume REST or SOAP APIs. Another RPA tool is Help Systems. Automate, by Help Systems, is a comprehensive RPA platform designed to automate repetitive and manual processes across the organization. Automate provides 5x the value of other solutions through its ease of use, stable and robust functionality, and ability to scale automation strategy. IT provides over 600 pre-built automation building blocks. Its graphical workflow design brings IT and business teams together. It gives the ability to integrate with an extensive list of applications. Intelligent automation capabilities with advanced conditions and trigger scenarios. It provides industry-leading security, auditing, and integration capabilities. It gives centralized visibility, management, and reporting and analytics within distributed networks. Another RPA tool is OpenConnect. It automatically discovers, automate, and improve service processes and optimize workforce productivity. The tool helps you to address all types of operational and competitive challenges. It supports entirely server-based architecture. It provides dashboard views with real-time status. It gives centralized governance. It provides highly secure, encrypted data. It also provides advanced connectivity capabilities. Gyan is another RPA tool, which is a software platform for humans to deploy advanced scale robots in their workplace. It boosts efficiency of the organization. Precisely measure all the activities performed by the robot, which allows to analyze each automated process. Gyan helps to standardize your business process. Employees can put their focus on more creative processes and spend more time in the creative processes. Another RPA tool is WorkFusion. WorkFusion is a SIS crowd computing platform. This RPA software automates the process of monitoring of data feed and helps you to manage crowdsourced workers from global talent markets. It automates tasks by pressing a button. It deploys bots as you need, to operate simultaneously for enterprise-scale automation. It collaborates with multiple of users across different workstations. It automates across the teams. Next RPA tool is Jakarta. Jakarta RPA is a robust RPA tool that helps in desktop automation. It allows companies by automating time-consuming and error-prone, repetitive tasks. Automated processes conducted with the highest possible accuracy and unbeaten level of consistency. It reduces average handling time to the organization. It helps you to increase first call resolution. Another tool is OnVSources. This tool is also known as Automata. Automata RPA solution can capture and process repetitive actions such as filling out online forms, communicating with other systems, and adapting to change or new situations. Automata can quickly assist with large volumes of business or customer transactions. It supports robotic transaction processing. It supports automated desktop transaction recording and monitoring. Redwood is another RPA tool which offers unattended robotic processes that are easy to create, simple to scale and fast to deploy. It provides many plug-and-play robots which provide instant connections to most standard applications. It automates simple and complex tasks. It offers a unique network of services which can be used to robotize any process quickly. It supports 3-tier landscape with automated promotion and audit trail. All robotic and human interactions are stored automatically, which offers complete insight of all process activity. It allows you to run, clone and edit bots. Next RPA tool is Automation Edge. This tool offers many essential technologies for automation of front office, middle office, back office and IT operations. It allows you to automate Excel spreadsheet, procedures and activities. It provides facility of chatbot that is capable of interacting with customers and fulfills requests using artificial intelligence. It supports front, middle and back office automation. Next RPA tool is Foxtrot. Foxtrot, developed by EnableSoft, is the faster way to create and run automated tasks for the organization. It offers many easy-to-use tools which automate tasks in hours and days rather than weeks and months. It is designed for business users instead of technical experts. It provides extensive library of actions, helps you to create your automation. It gives an easy method to create and run automated tasks for the organizations. The last RPA tool for today's discussion is Variant. It is a robotic process automation which automates all kinds of repetitive, time-consuming tasks. This solution offers software robots that can completely replace the need of manual processing. Variant helps to reduce compliance risk by eliminating human error. It increases processing capacity and speed. Variant allows employees to conduct quality works. It helps to reduce the errors which occur when employees manually complete difficult processes. Friends, here we gone through various RPA tools available in the market. Based on your criteria and need, you can further traverse the details. Website details are provided in the resource section under each tool. Also, please do not forget to like and share. Share your experience in for of the comment. If you are visiting our channel, then please subscribe our channel and press bell icons for the upcoming videos notification. Soon, we are going to start series on various agile concepts, an easier way to understand and the way of implementations. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and safe.